Violet, these are your first ever. What are we giving her?
Banana! Look at this banana. Yum!
What do you think of bananas? Whoa! Whoa! Oh, they're delicious, the bananas. Was that very sweet for you?
I don't know if I like that one.
She does. She's just very different taste.
You were expecting
Sweetheart,
squash.
you were expecting squash, I think, and it wasn't. Delicious banana. What are you people feeding me here?
Here you go, baby. Eat this. Try it.
Come on, you like it? Oh, it's banana.
No bananas? Wow. That was not the reaction I expected for bananas. Another bite of banana?
Bananas!
Banana. Come on, baby.
Her
Look at
left
the little
eye twitching.
Ooh.
Your left eye was twitching. Isn't that bad?
Come on. It's pretty good. Don't like it?